Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachman, and today I'll be walking you through the 2018 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. This boat's powered by a 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke engine. So we'll jump aboard and take a look. First thing to notice on the swim platform, even with an outboard, there is a pass-through to easily access both sides. This boat has the white and charcoal interior. In the rear, we have a water sports tow post. Rear sun pad with tons of storage underneath. Entering the boat, you'll notice the optional convertible lounge seating on the port side for the passenger. Captain's chair for the helm. Very large rear seat with cooler under one side, additional storage on the starboard side. Helm with full instrumentation, Rockford Fosgate marine grade stereo, 4 speakers. Additional storage under the port side dash. And moving forward to the spacious bow area, storage under both seats, very comfortable wraparound bolsters. And removable front cushion for bow boarding. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater, 813-503-2649. Thank you.